want to see how I make my breakfast? Hello, I'm Cathy. Today I will make Kasha. Come and join me. First, we need water, oatmeal, and milk. Let's start. First, I'll put 115 ml of water. And then I'll put the oatmeal. And I'll mix it until everything is welcome and warm. Then for this, you need your mommy to assist you, or daddy to assist you, or Baba to assist you. It's so funny. Or Opa to assist you. It's so fun. Or Uncle to assist you. And Santa to assist you. I'll put a little bit of salt because I'm taste. That's enough. It's been 3 minutes. Now I'll put the milk. I'll use almond milk. Yeah. But you can use regular milk if you like. This is 15 ml milk. Ow! It's been 3 minutes. Now it's ready. I'll go to the table. Come and join me. It smells good. We can also put jam and the kasha and also blueberries. It's my favorite food. Wow, that's a lot. The pot is warm, so we need the assistance. For the other, I need the mommy to put the kasha in the bowls. And my favorite part is butter. Butter here, and then marmalade. We can also put string. Do you like it? Now it's beautiful, and look, now it's my favorite food. And I can also put some cinnamon sparkles, cinnamon. A bit honey, because there is marmalade. You have to put a bit honey because there's some marmalade, mommy, huh?
Here, honey. Put it in your mouth.
Now I'll try my food. With apples. Kasha is healthy, rich in fibers, vitamins, and minerals.